I'm going to continue teaching lesson number 7 in learning the song One Way Road by Mortaza Pashai. The song continues until it reaches a line that says باز سر کلاس قلبم باز سر کلاس قلبم. This sentence is used in many poems, many Persian poems. The idea of a class of love or going to school to learn how to love, if that makes sense. So this is going to be this lesson for today, how to write this sentence. I've told about letter baz before, but now I'm going to repeat that. B in Farsi is written like this. A is written like this, and Z is written like this. So this is not something new. You can find this in other videos. This is how you write baz, which means again. So that word is out of the way. Now the new word that I'm going to talk about is called sare. Basically, if you imagine this to be a human body, sar in human body is referred to the head in Farsi. But in this sentence, they're not going to envision a class that has head or a symbolic head. So here, they're not going to talk about the head of a human or sar. That's how they say it in Persian or Farsi. There's another meaning for sar, which refers to be present inside a class, inside the school class, if you can imagine. So S sounds like S. That is written in Farsi like so. If you want to attach it to something else, but the original way of writing it is like this. It has to look like a circle at the end of it. 1, 2. Okay, this shows how perfect I am in Farsi language. Okay, this is letter S in Farsi, and this 2a, which is more or less a sound that is passive in Farsi language, because that's how it is. When they say ah, that's a passive sound. When they say that's another passive sound. When they say oh,